Everyone, today we will know if it is possible to change one part of speech into another part of speech. Of course, it is. Let us know how it is possible. Here three words are given. What are those three words? Water, plants, and beauty. What part of speech is water? Water is noun. What part of speech is plants? It's noun. Beauty, it is also noun, abstract noun, right? Now, let us observe the uses of those three words in the sentences given. Water is one of the five aspects in nature. Here, what is one of the five aspects in nature? Water. Here, water is used as noun. It is used as subject, right? Come to the second sentence. Plants give us oxygen. What give us oxygen? Plants. And it is used as subject, right? We give a name to certain aspect which gives us oxygen, that is a plant. So plants give us oxygen. Here plants is used as noun. Third one. A thing of beauty is joy forever. What is joy forever? A thing of beauty. Here beauty is not seen. It is only experienced. So here beauty is taken as abstract noun. Now let us change them into verbs or any other parts of speech. Now observe the words which are used as nouns and verbs. Let's take the same words, water and plants. The first sentence. I pour water to my plants regularly. Here, what is verb? First of all, we have to understand what is verb there. The verb used here is pour. What do I pour? Water. So, the second word gives answer for the question what, and it is used as noun and object. I pour water to my plants regularly, and another noun is there. What is the another noun used here? The word plants. I pour water to my plants regularly. In this sentence we have two nouns. What are those two nouns? Water and plants. Now come to the second sentence. I water my plants regularly. In the first sentence, water is used as noun. Come to the second sentence. What do I do? I water. Here in the second sentence, the same word water is used as verb. As doing word, it is used as doing word. So it is used as verb. Again, plants is used as noun only. In the second sentence, the word plants is used as noun. Now come to third sentence. Yesterday, I planted mango saplings. What did I do yesterday? Planted. Here, the word planted is used as verb. In second sentence and the first sentence, the word plant is used as noun, but in third sentence it is used as doing word. So yesterday I planted, what did I plant? Mango saplings. So here in the third sentence the same word plant is used as verb and it is in past tense. We will come with some words and how to change the words into other forms, like if it is a noun, how to change it into verb, how to change it into adjective and adverb. Again we will learn all those with examples and how to make use of them in sentences. Till then, bye. Thank you.